are going to discuss build a question answering system using techniques such as information extraction. So for this we have to import a library SPACY. So this SPACY is used for tokenization, named entity recognition and sentence detection. Next, after importing library, SPACY.load is there. So n underscore core underscore wave underscore sm. So this loads the small English model, and this model contains the vocabulary, grammar rules and pre-trained NER model. So now this NLP can process text. Next, we have to create a knowledge base because ours is a question answering system. So we have to prepare a knowledge base. So this is our documents. Means knowledge base means what? We have to just write 5 to 6 sentences, and on that basis we are going to ask questions and our system will generate the answer. So here the computer science is the study of computation and algorithms. It was formally established in 1940s. Alan Turing is considered the father of computer science, and the practical examination will start tomorrow. Mumbai is financial capital of India. So this kind of questions you can create. So this is nothing but a QA system. It extracts answers from the text. Next is we have to process the documents. NLP documents.doc. So here is NLP documents.doc. It sends the entire text to SPACY for performing tokenizations, sentence segmentations and NEP. Next is our main push function to answer questions. So here we are going to consider this one, def answer questions. So it takes user questions and returns appropriate answer. Question.doc, this line. Question.doc, NLP, question.lower. It converts question to lowercase and processes it using SPACY. If question lowers starts with who, checks if person starts with who, when it checks with date and time, this is when checks with date and time, and where with the location, else it will search for any another keyword. So here return extract person, return extract date, return extract location based on the who, when and where type of questions. Next, information extraction function. So here def extract person for ent in docs.ents. It loops through all name entities, checks if the entity label is a person here, checks if the entity label is person and returns first person name found. For example, in our case, person name is Alan Turing, is already we mentioned in that doc. Next is here we have used date. So find entities like date because we use here date. So in our text we mention the date as 1940s, or exam is starting from tomorrow, if you noticed it carefully. Next, GPE and LOC. So here GPE, here GPE stands for geopolitical entity and LOC is for location. Next is our keyword search. So keyword search is the question used for what type of question? Question words, these are the question words. Okay. Question words, token.text for token in NLP questions. If not token is stop. Okay, it removes words like is, the, of, in, and keep importance word like computer science. Stop word removal concept that we already covered in theory. Now for sentences in doc.sense. Okay, goes through each sentences. It goes through each sentences. Check if any keyword appears and returns matching sentences. All this, it returns the matching sentences. and if not, it will return answer not found. Okay. Now these are the our questions. These are the our questions, test questions. Who is the father of computer science? When was computer science established? Where is financial capital of India? And what is computer science? Before to run this program, you have to save it and you have to download the required files. So in our case, as we already mentioned, import SPACY. So for importing SPACY, first you have to download SPACY. For download SPACY, open the command prompt. You should be in the Python, in which Python version you are using, just check it and then write down this command py space -m space pip install spaCy. After successful installation of spaCy, as you are using one more file over there, and that file also you have to download this one, python space -m space spaCy download space n underscore core underscore web underscore sm. After successful downloading, then you run your program to check. Okay, now it is executing. See, the based on our questions. So what are our questions? As we already discussed, who is the father of computer science? That is Alan Turing. When was the computer science established? In the 1940s. Where is the financial capital of India? That is Mumbai. And what is the computer science? Is the computer science is the study of computation and algorithms. So these are the already knowledge base we have created. So our system has generated or extracted the answers from the knowledge base which we provided. So hope it is useful to you and you understood the concept. Thank you.